Hey, Joe here from GeoArm Security. Today I want to teach you guys how to program in a Honeywell 5816 wireless contact into a Honeywell Vista 20P. Alright, so what we have here, this is a 6160 RF programming keypad. This has a receiver built into it. So all we're going to do is we're going to go into programming. On these panels, to get into programming, it's going to be your installer code plus 800. So 4112 is the default installer code on all these panels, followed by 800. You'll see that's going to bring us in, and you're going to be at field 20. What we need to do is we need to go under field 56, which is zone programming on these panels. So you're going to hit star 56. Okay, just going to press star here. We're not going to confirm. Now, zones 1 through 8 on this panel are hardwired. So if we were doing any hardwire zone programming, you would just enter what zone number. What we're going to do is we'll start at zone 9. All the wireless devices start at zone 9 and up. So you're going to just put in zone 09, followed by the star. Okay, you're going to see this actually tells you your zone type, partition, report code. From here you're just going to hit star one time, and you're going to see the zone is disabled. So if you were programming this as an entry-exit, you would put in a 01. You'll see it shows you entry-exit. A perimeter would be 03. You'll see it changes it to perimeter. So we'll leave it at perimeter. When you have that programmed in, you're going to hit star one time. It's going to bring you back to the next zone. Partition 1. That's good. Next is the report code. You want to make sure you have something in here. If it was just zeros, what would happen when the alarm went off, the system would not report it. So you'd hear it go off locally, but it wouldn't dial out. So you leave that with the number 1 in there and just press star. And it's a wireless device, RF transmit, so that's correct. You leave that as is, press star. Now you can learn the serial number in by tripping the contact, so you would basically put the magnet up to it and remove it, or you can just enter your serial number in here with your loop number. So what we're going to do is we're just going to enter it. Now on these contacts, they're wireless, okay, but you can actually hardwire a hardwired contact onto here. So in certain applications where you're unable to fit this in certain locations, you might have to attach a piece of wire and another hardwired contact, which we'll show you in a later video. But for now, we're going to leave it as a wireless. And the reason I'm explaining that to you is that's how you determine what loop number you're going to use. Alright, these get programmed in as a loop 2 when you're not using any hardwired contacts with it. So from here, you're just going to highlight it so it shows 2. So we have our serial number, loop 2, press the star. Alright, now it's going to show you everything that you programmed in, zone number, zone type, so on and so forth. Okay, star. Now, if you wanted to program in your alpha, you'd have to refer to your booklet. It gives you a table in there to determine what's what. We're not going to program it for now, so you're just going to hit 0. Now, if you were programming in another one and you see it brings you up to the next zone, you would just hit star if that's what you wanted to do. Otherwise, if you wanted to exit, 00. Alright, from here, if you wanted to do any other programming changes, you can do it. What we're going to do for now is just exit out of programming. Star 99 is how you exit out of programming on these panels. Okay, so now we're back to disarmed, ready to arm. And that is how to program in a Honeywell 5816 Honeywell Wireless contact into a Vista 20P panel. Any questions or comments, please down below. Otherwise, visit us on our website, www.geoarm.com, or give us a call at 1-877-4GeoArm. Thank you.